I'm Rachel Kirkland with WashingtonExec, and joining me today is John Goodman, CEO at Accenture Federal Services, and Ira Entis, Chief Strategy Officer at Accenture Federal Services. Thank you both for coming on. So today we're talking about an exciting development that has been some time in the making, the newly launched Data and AI Center of Excellence in partnership with Google Public Sector. John, would you please tell us about this new center? How will it operate? What is its overarching mission? And why is it so important in today's world where AI is driving new possibilities?
Great questions. Thank you, Rachel. Delighted to be here. We are really excited about our new Center of Excellence. We launched it to be able to bring to our clients the combined capabilities of Google and Accenture Federal Services to help them use the power of AI to address and solve some of the most significant challenges. That together we'll be bringing the combination of Google's technology and language models along with our knowledge of our clients' specific issues, processes, and problems, and our data scientists to help them address questions that really in the past have been outside their reach. Ira, anything you would add?
I think that's spot on. It's about exploring client problems, figuring out how we can also pre-build accelerators, particularly leveraging select data sets to accelerate our clients' time to value and also reduce the risk for them anytime they're going to implement a new capability.
And I'd add, this is Accenture and Google. Accenture globally has worked with Google for years, and what we're now doing is bringing that same combination of capabilities that has worked so well for commercial clients to our federal clients, and I think this is really going to be game changing.
Wonderful. So, John, you gave us a little bit of background there. Ira, can you walk us through a little bit more about how the Data and AI Center came about? When was the first concept first envisioned? What factors drove its creation? And what was the process to make it become a reality?
Well, as John said, we've been leaned in with Google as a strategic partner of ours for years, building on the Accenture commercial relationship that we've had for certain. You may have also recalled that last year, Accenture Federal Services and Google Public Sector launched the Cybersecurity Center of Excellence, which leverages the breadth of their technology to improve the speed of detection and remediation of cyber threats. And that, of course, includes significant use of artificial intelligence to accelerate value to our clients. When you take that capability, the leadership that we've had commercially together, and the fact that we've been leaned in on Google Cloud as well as Google's AI capabilities in the cloud for years inside of Federal, the time was right for us to focus on accelerating our relationship together specifically here. So the Center of Excellence is really about having skilled people like our data scientists and a commitment to continually train our folks on the very dynamic, constantly advancing Google AI capabilities that are built into the cloud. Combine that with our cutting-edge development solutions, our human-centered design, and together we're able to think of not just how to exploit this ever-changing technology for our clients, but how to apply it and make it a reality in production for value for our clients.
Wonderful. John, do you want to expand on how this partnership will contribute to modernizing citizen services within federal agencies?
Sure. Well, building on Ira's comments, the one thing that government agencies are not short of is data. Government agencies are rich with data, but what's been lacking are the tools and the skills to be able to take that data and synthesize it, contextualize it, and use it to address major questions that address public policy, or also processes that simply have not moved at the speed that technology is moving. So, for example, at USPTO, we are working together to dramatically speed activities that have taken weeks, days, weeks, and months before to make those move much, much more rapidly.
Wonderful. Ira, I'd love to dive deeper into the technology itself. What can you tell us about the specific types of technologies being applied and developed at the center?
Well, this is where Google's AI capabilities truly stand out. They are really exceptional. And our objective is always to take the out-of-the-box capabilities that Google provides, the ability to rapidly prototype, build, automate, and scale AI solutions so that we can drive mission, combine that with our mission-focused expertise. That's what the Center of Excellence is all about. It starts specifically with Google's language models. Notably their Vertex AI platform and Gemini, so the tech stack of components that are AI optimized on their infrastructure. Those out-of-the-box large language models are able to do exceptional things for clients. What gets extremely powerful is when we take those prefab AI models. We tap into the model gardens that they have, where Google has a wide range of open source language models that can be applied, and different models are going to apply differently to different clients' mission problems. A cyber client's models is different than a healthcare client, different than a defense client, etc. And then we take the client's specific data, and the key is being able to leverage their specific data for their mission and keeping that data secure and private while also leveraging the existing models that may be public API calls securely or just training unique specific large language models for clients. Together, it's about jointly developing these prefab capabilities and solutions that accelerate our clients' unique missions and business requirements. And Google's AI-powered code generation is the other component. Being able to accelerate the productivity of developers in these environments with AI-fueled tools is another key piece of the puzzle. So together you need a team of folks who are deeply expert in the Google technology, but also people who are experts in the client's mission, human-centered design, and of course, data science more broadly to bring together the complete solution and deliver accelerated client value.
John, you've mentioned that the Data and AI Center is in the next phase of an expanded strategic alliance focused on delivering state-of-the-art data and generative AI solutions. What is your vision going forward?
So Accenture's purpose is to deliver on the promise of technology and human ingenuity. And generative AI, as Ira just described it, is exactly that, and is the capability that we see really helping enable our clients to move from data to solutions. And one thing I want to note in our vision is, as we're thinking about this, it's critical that we do it responsibly, and all of our clients are very focused on the concept of responsible AI. And what that means is we want to make sure that as we are using the data, we are drawing on the data, that we have built into our solutions the ability to ensure that there are no inherent biases because of the data that we're using, or limits that are constraining the solution set. So I think vision around this center is continuing to serve our clients with this new technology and the capabilities that we bring, but to always do that in a responsible way.
Wonderful. Well, I look forward to following what else you do in your next steps. Thank you both for joining me.
Thanks, Rachel.
Thanks.